Folks, Bill here with Whirlybird Video Productions. Just got back from LMACKY Heli Fun Fly 2012. That's a mouthful to say. That's the Lexington Model Airplane Club's Heli Fun Fly. They have it every year. It's been going on for quite a while now. It's very well attended. A lot of great guys show up. A lot of great pilots show up. And it's a really great time. It is a fun fly labeled just exactly that, and we have a lot of fun. Manufacturer support was way up this year. There was just tons of representatives from the manufacturers. Team Synergy was there with a couple Team Synergy guys, including Matt Bodis and his wife Amy. A couple folks from Heli Freak were there with those cool golf carts with all the bells and whistles. Thunder Tiger representatives were there. Horizon representatives were there. Futaba representatives were there. I mean, just if you name a manufacturer in helicopters, they were there. Gowie was there. At any rate, it was well attended. They had over, last I heard, well over 60 pilots had registered for the event. So just lots of attendance. Helicopters and multi-rotors, and some guy even bought a glider to a heli event. We did some night flying with spotlights and with lights. Was able to fly my UFO there, the hexcopter with the lights and sound. It did pretty good. Again, it was just a great time, so hope you enjoy the video. There's actually a couple videos coming up for the LMACKY event. So this first video is just a general overview of the event. So she didn't want to make it too long, so I was hidden for 8 or 9, 10 minutes on the overview video. And then we'll come back with 2 more videos, the auto rotation contest in total, which was a pretty good while. It's probably going to be close to the 15-minute time limit that I've got to get it on YouTube. So that'll be a separate video. And then I'll also have a couple videos of the actual team reps flying. I'm not going to do every single one of them, just I don't have enough time to get them all edited down. But I got Matt Bodis's short flight from him, and Gowie, I got Andy from there, and flying his helicopter, and I think maybe a couple more, but I'll see what I can do. But anyways, I'll set those in individual videos, so hopefully I'll get about 3 or 4 videos uploaded soon from the LMACKY event. And stay tuned. Going next week, leaving on Thursday morning, going down to Triple Tree, South Carolina. Oh, Triple Tree, South Carolina? Well, it might as well be Triple Tree, South Carolina. It's actually in Woodruff, South Carolina, but it's the mecca of the RC world. It's where they have the Joe Knoll event. They're having a heli event. It's the Heli Extravaganza. You can go to heliextravaganza.com. Check it out right now. Flying's going to start on Thursday. It'll be through Sunday, so come on out. It'll be a great time. Lots of folks have already pre-registered, and I know a lot of manufacturer support and that kind of thing is going to show up. So it's the first event there for the helis, so we need a lot of support, a lot of heli guys to show up. So try to get out there, and I'll have videos after the event and during the event if I have internet going on. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. So folks, hope you liked the video. I hope it wasn't too long there. I tried to get just a general overview. It's really a great time. If you want to come out to a good, fun helicopter flying, the LMACKY event's definitely one to come to. It's be September next year, so set your calendars and come on out next year. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Trying to get the page views up and the likes up, so need all your guys' help to do that. Thanks.